that we've made. It's a masterpiece, I tell you. What should we do with it? Poison. Yes, it's poisoned. What should we do now? You go get more. It's made out of it. It's made out of poison blood. Poison blood, frog legs, pee. Poison. Poison oak. Poison knife. And we need to stir it. Stir it all up. Stir it. Look at that. This would be a good, tasty stew. Now we're getting the girl. Still watch her. I'll go get the girl. This is gonna be a nice potion. A real nice one. It can make you die. The poison makes it the person who dies. So the girl will come in and she'll eat it and she will die. But if we eat it, we won't die. Mwahaha.
Girl.
Hi guys, I just woke up. Here, taste some. What is this? It looks like it's so good. Try some. Oh my gosh, where's the spoon? Okay. Where's the spoon? I found the spoon. Where's the other witch? Annie!
The battery's about to die on this, honey.
I'll go with the other witch.
Hurry.
3. Cinnamon. Yummy. Maybe the next girl will come in soon.